For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Menteri Rangba ulieto ba Shen on pynbeit no ba Menteri Rangba Meghalaya-Assam ya katarik na gabenta ban syong ya kajingalang ha kaban iakren ya pynbeit uput usam ha kawat kabaar. Ulong ba ule iakren lang ba kafon bat kibadan Meghalaya-Assam bat kidang ya cakamat agaban bo ikatarik bat ukermen scam ba anla ban sedang no ikajing iakren kabadingkong hapo ubnai jemang. Genre tuli gijaka kibadan hapdeng kajing kajaput gikentup ikasnong langpi ha West Khasi Hills kabordwar nongwa mautamur Desh Dumria Block 2 kibadan haga distrik Riboy bat ke Block 1 Siar Kanduli kibadan haga distrik West Gently Hills.
We are working out the dates. Hopefully, we should be able to initiate the first talk within the month of May itself. But obviously, as I said, it's a process. So it's not that we will see everything happen in one day, but at least the initiation part, we will try our best. We are working out our dates. And as I said, the good part is that since we are in direct talking terms and we talk to each other directly, so we'll be able to finalize the dates very soon. We have given 2-3 options to each other. Once we freeze on the exact dates, I will definitely inform all of you.
Hagawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba ulieto ba sarkar jilla kan sedang iakren bat kikenhun baper halor kejing pentreka mega roster system hadin juga kat santrik ujemang. Ulong ba sarkar kadan jengmut ban khot ya barok ki dekhot jong ke MDA barok sengsan pertai ki kenhun seng balang kinong ilam niam namar kadai ke AKA ka bagi sengo ba barok ki dei bane dan bentalang bat ban sung tho e barok ki jing shisha ban ulong ba kani ke jing ilang kan long hadin ka kat santrik ujemang.
So basically now government, we have been taking multiple presentations from the departments and the cabinet is going through all the details. Most likely post the 15th, we will be having within this month itself, as I had mentioned earlier also, that in the month of May, these discussions will start and we will invite everybody. So we intend to call all our MDA members, all the political parties, all the different civil society from all areas and other important stakeholders, religious leaders, because it's something that we feel that everybody should be involved in and must understand all the facts. So post the 15th of May, the series of meetings will start at the state level as well as at the district levels, wherever it's necessary, with as many stakeholders as possible. So within this month itself, post 15th, the engagement will start.